just after 9 on August 24th. Rode up from Stehekin on the bus. The 11-mile shuttle bus ride. It takes folks to High Bridge. Stopped at the bakery. Picked up a blueberry sconce and ham and Swiss croissant. So I've got some yummy food for today, along with a sandwich from the deli tonight. This is the last section for me on the PCT, 80 miles to Canada. For a little bit on this gravel road, I'm going to rejoin the PCT. Don't really have any specific emotions going on, just hiking, really. I've thought about how this is the last section and all that, what it means. How in the world did I get to this point? For now, it's just a regular day of hiking. Also, the weather's good, so I'm thankful for that. It's supposed to stay pretty decent, depending on which forecast agency you go with. Up in Canada, there's 10%, 20%, 20%, 30%, 40% chance of rain next 5 days. But just across the border on this side, the National Weather Service has got us as nothing. Although it looks to be significantly cooler up ahead, like 60s and 40s, as opposed to like 80s and 90s, and then 50s at night. Either way, it's all good. Had a really nice rest at Stehekin. It's a beautiful lake. I might come back someday. It's a nice part of the country to live in. I like Oregon and Washington and Northern California. Those are all nice places to live. It's beautiful here, and I like the lifestyle. I like the vibe. Shipped off a bunch of stuff, some gear I don't need. Parka, rain pants, heavy knife, t-shirt I bought, broken cell phone, yada yada, just dead weight to lighten my pack. This is the entire section is 88 miles up to Manning Park, so it's a decent, it's a long, it's a long hike, 4+ days probably. Getting a late start today will add to the likelihood that it will be 4 nights on the trail. And there's a big climb today. It's about 4,000 feet. It's just that it's spread out, so maybe not so bad after all. The gradual climbs don't seem, they're not as hard on my body. Just put one foot in front of the other and you end up at the top eventually. I'm in good shape. I'm in very good shape. and that helps. If this was like day 2, that'd be different, but I've been doing this for 2.5 months. So. Lost a lot of weight, legs are in good shape, the feet are fair, but I'm on the home stretch, so this will all be done. The way to make my feet feel better is to stop hiking, and that'll happen in 5 days, so that works for me. Just going to enjoy this last 80 so miles. It's been quite an adventure. Biggest adventure of my life. The most difficult physical thing I've ever done. I mean, daily it's difficult. Struggled every day, it seems like. But it's been worth it, you know, the reward of accomplishing this.
Are you doing the Pacific Crest Trail? Oh, good for you. By yourself? Good for you. What a wonderful experience.
So far.
Yeah. Where did
And
you
yourself?
start? Where did you start?
Well, last year I started in Campo at the Mexico border, and I made it to Etna, California, as far as I got, and then this year I picked it up again at Etna.
Wow. So how long have you been on your way now?
Since June, early June.
Good for you.
And yourself?
Imagine. Well, I just hiked over Cascade Pass and down through the Stehekin Valley to Stehekin.
Okay.
I usually do it every year, but usually different routes, but this is one of my favorite.
Oh, yeah. Well,
it's beautiful. Where are you from?
Kentucky. You?
I'm from the Skagit Valley, which is just north of Seattle.
Ah.
So this is our backyard.
Apparently, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
nice.
lucky you. Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a gorgeous backyard.
Yeah.
Take care. So where a couple of the forks of Bridge Creek meet up. There's the bridge. And then the trail cuts on across, goes up that middle section of land, middle peninsula. It's going on noon. It's a beautiful day. Temperatures are nice. Good breeze. Looking back, you know, there's a couple of folks. Never seen them before. Actually, I see them just about every day. think I'll have lunch here. There's a jet going overhead. This talks about Fireweed Camp, which is where I have a permit. And there's the Pacific Crest Trail. And I've already come through the North Folk camp back there. There looks like a spot or two up here. Just a couple 100 feet up above the bridge I just went over. I'll be climbing basically all day, and I won't finish until tomorrow morning. It's 4,000 something. It's in steps. So no place to go but uphill. I think I started down near 2,000 feet, end up near 6,800. Looking up that mountain. It's sort of east of me. Take a look back. Yeah, some puffy cumulus. Looks like that could be a campsite. I'm going to see if I can make it to Rainy Pass. It's about 3 miles. Some camp sites up there where PCT crosses, I think, Highway 20, and even has toilets. Just a nice way to start off the morning. Carved in wood is a really old Pacific Crest Trail sign above the emblem. I'm out of the North Cascades National Park. That was about a mile ago. Lake Chelan, which is where I spent the last couple of days, and Stehekin, that's 28 miles back, but 11 of that about is on a bus. Couple trails hanging off to the left. Copper Pass, Stiletto Peak. And this way, continuing its uphill ascent, is the PCT. That's pretty neat. Unfortunately, I'm not Lieutenant Dan. Just about 6 o'clock, and I've made it to Rainy Pass. And I'll check it out and see about if I want to spend the night here or not, or if I'll move on up the trail. It'd be one or the other. I believe this is the last paved road I'll see in the United States. Elevation 4855. Rainy Pass Trailhead.